Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to convert your first generation or second generation Echo Dot into a full-size Amazon Echo. This is TK, let's check it out. Here we have the first and second generation Amazon Echo Dot. The first one obviously had the spinning ring at the top. The second one lost the spinning ring, but we now have buttons. The only thing about them is that they both suffered from a problem with sound. They did not have great speakers on them, but they gave us access to the Amazon Assistant. What we're looking at today is an accessory that will help us turn these small Echo Dots, the first and second generation only, into a full-size Amazon Echo. And here's the accessory that we're going to look at. It's called Adot by the company called Divoom. And for the most part, this is basically a battery-powered speaker that gets integrated or basically mounts our existing Echo Dot into it to be able to use it. And the cool thing about it is it works with the first as well as the second generation Amazon Echo Dot. So here's the contents of the box. We have a thank you card, some warranty information for the Adot, and of course the speaker itself. The Divoom name is right there. On the back we have a power button, a micro USB charging port, and a battery life indicator. Pressing and holding the power button turns it on and off, and you can see how much battery level you have. The other option that you have here is in the top, where it becomes kind of the adapter that connects to your Echo Dot. And what we have here essentially is the two connectors at the bottom. So one of them is power, the other one is the audio. So the audio gets routed using the external 3.5mm headphone jack that you have on the back of the first and second gen Echo Dot, and it gets connected directly into the secondary unit. And the way they can look at it is, as long as the word Divoom is facing you correctly with the arrow facing up, you're basically connected the right way, and then you just snap it on and you're able to mount your existing Echo. The reason you have it this way as well is so that it actually doesn't fall off. So the first and foremost thing I'm going to do here is let's remove this and show you guys how it looks like right here. So short answer is it fits and it mounts to the back this way, but it's going to do it inside of the actual case. So let's go ahead and remove it here. And it also does work with the first generation Echo Dot as well. So you can put it in and you can hear the snapping sound. So let's go ahead and take it out. Now for me, you can actually use both or either one of them. But for me, I always loved the fact that we had the spinning ring, which we kind of lost on the Echo Dot. So I'm going to put in my first gen Echo, and here it is. So as long as you kind of align them here, and if it's not, just kind of move it a little bit with your fingers. And again, just go ahead and put it in. You'll notice they kind of align. There's no issues here as far as sizing. Put them in. And once you have that connected, for the most part, your Echo Dot there's no issues here. Now I'm going to go ahead and take them out. Now it is firmly or securely put in there, so you're not going to have to worry about it. And of course, for a more flush installation, so it kind of fits, it looks really, really nice. Let's go ahead and bring it in here. Here's the second gen Echo Dot. And again, same thing goes through. And this one is more flush. You'll notice it kind of goes straight down, but again, there's no more spinning ring. And of course you have the volume rocker. Access to all of the buttons are going to work fine. The built-in speaker will no longer be used, so you don't have to worry about that. Audio is going to be routed using this speaker. Powering on, let's go ahead and hit the power button, hold it for a second. You'll see the light, and normally again you can go all the way to the top to get 100%, but other than that we'll give it a second for it to boot up. And here's our Echo Dot booting up. As our Echo Dot is booting up at this point, I just want to talk to you guys about some of the specifications. We have a 20-watt audio system going on with 4 drivers, DSP tuning, a 10,000 milliamp battery built into it, the bottom here, and it gets charged and we can get up to 10 hours worth of playback. And of course the audio, as you can see the configuration with the speakers, you should be able to get a good surrounding kind of experience, as the sound is coming in from 2 different directions and should be able to fill up the room to give that 360 surround sound. What's the weather like today?
Right now in San Jose, it's 63 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds with a high of 63.
Tell me a joke.
Actually, my friend Jimmy Fallon wants to tell a joke. Let's give him a shot.
What did the horse say to the scarecrow? Hey!
It was actually kind of funny. I asked it to tell me a joke and it brought in Jimmy Fallon. But the short answer, at least you can see, it sounds a lot fuller already, and we're not even playing music. So let's go ahead and play some music, but I'm going to actually connect to it via Bluetooth and play some music on it, as I want to be able to play non-copyrighted music. Okay, let's go ahead and play some music on this. I went ahead and connected my device over Bluetooth to it. The easy way to do it, since we no longer have a way of actually connecting via the wired option in the back, especially when you're using it in this form. Otherwise, you normally will be able to use it normally. I went ahead and connected it. I have it paired under my Bluetooth devices, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my music player. I'm using my Google Play music library. This is called Jumbo by Alex Grindo. Volume all the way to 100% here, volume all the way to 100% on my phone. Not the best optimal situation, but I just want to show you guys how it sounds like, again, just at the full power of your device. So this is about roughly 50%, and of course you can pause it, play different music, different songs. It's just going to sound 10 times, even 100 times better with the 20-watt system that we have here. It's definitely a big improvement from what we normally have with our standard Echo Dots. Now, if you've already purchased the Echo Dot 3rd generation, you already have great sound, but again, this still will perform a lot better, closer to what the full-size Echo can actually do for you. If you still have the 1st generation or the 2nd generation Echo Dot, this is going to be the best way to upgrade them and get a better sound performance out of these 1st generation devices without having to get rid of them and then buying a whole new Echo Dot 3rd generation. The new one is very nice, it sounds a lot better, but again, you're getting rid of an existing pair of hardware as opposed to just upgrading it and giving it better sound and basically the ability of walking away without having wires. It has a built-in 10,000 milliamp battery and that 20-watt sound system. So I want to say thank you very much to Divoom for allowing me to check out the adapter. And of course, if you guys have a 1st or 2nd generation, or if you have a family member that has one of those, this is going to be a great Christmas gift as well as a great upgrade idea to make sure to extend the life of your hardware. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.